Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk.
Hey pretty gang, welcome back to my channel. And if you ain't gang, you can't hang, and that's on period. So make sure I hit that subscribe button to become a part of the pretty gang today. You know what it is, you know the vibe, stuff like that. So I'm really just gonna jump straight into this video because I wasn't really planning on recording and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just really jump straight into it. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair pink using red hair dye. Yes, I said it, I'm using a Dior ruby red hair dye to get my hair pink. And honestly, I wasn't planning on recording this video right now because I was just trying to like test it out because I had leftover hair dye because I had dyed my natural hair red. So I was like, you know what happens, like I just mixed it with conditioner and I used some of this conditioner. It doesn't really matter which conditioner you have, and I made a small batch already and this is what it looks like. So literally all I did was put in a drop of hair dye and I put matte conditioner to get it as light as possible. Honestly, I did want it lighter than this, but I guess this will be fine. So my hair might come out neon pink, and you know, I hope this comes out good because I didn't want to, like, you know, finish it and then I'm done and then, you know, it's a whole video wasted. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish the rest, and I'm gonna show you how I made the mixture, and we're gonna finish the wig, and let's just get straight into it. Alright, so now that I'm out of the mixture, I'm going to show y'all what I did to actually make it so y'all know how much to use. So when I say a drop, y'all, I literally need like a drop, like not too much, like that should be enough. Maybe that is even a little bit too much because I was honestly trying to get this like a pastel pink, but you know, it's red hair dye, so it's gonna take forever. Then I went and I grabbed like matte conditioner and I stirred it up. And I hope it's not too much conditioner so that the color actually stick to the hair. But you know, I think it's gonna stick because dye is dye, you feel me? Dye is dye. Now it's all about like really making sure that everything is the same color now. Like, you know, I don't want parts to be like too light, too dark. I want it to be even. Honestly, I was thinking about doing like a little like, I don't know, like pink and red, but then I was like, nah, that's like doing too much. I don't know. But yeah, that's how I got the color. That's how I mixed it and stuff like that. If y'all want it lighter, just add a little bit more conditioner until it's as light as you want. But yeah. Alright guys, so now that my hair is all, you know, pink and stuff like that, first of all, you should wear some gloves. I didn't wear gloves because I don't have any gloves. And even if I did have gloves, I'd probably end up taking them off anyway, like always. But I didn't really get that much hair down my hands because I guess it was diluted with so much conditioner. But anyway, so now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 minutes and rinse it out. Honestly, I was gonna leave it in overnight because, you know, it's mad late. First of all, it's like 1 or 2 in the morning, and you know, I'm kind of tired. But I was like, you know what, let me not, because I feel like, you know, all that conditioner, the hair, I don't know, I feel like it might damage the hair a little bit. So I don't know what to do. I'm trying to think, should I leave it for 30 minutes or should I do it tomorrow? I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna come back. All right, so I'm back. I rinsed it out, and as y'all can see, it didn't come out as expected. So what I'm actually gonna go ahead and do is now I'm gonna try to do the watercolor method and still make it pink. I'm gonna add a little bit of hair dye, hopefully, but if not, I'm gonna just go ahead and just make the wig red, and I'm gonna order some more blonde hair and then just get some pink hair dye and do it the easy way. But I'm trying to do it, like, take the easy way out because I don't have no pink hair dye and I really want some pink hair. So I got my water right here, and I'm gonna just try to add like a little bit. Maybe that's enough. And we're gonna try to make this hair, hopefully it comes out pink. All right, so now my hair is like this rose gold kind of pink, which is actually really pretty. So I don't really know how it's gonna look when it dries. It might be a little bit more red on camera, but in person it's really like pink, like a hot pink. I don't know how to explain it. It looks literally rose gold almost. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna let this dry overnight and I'm gonna come back and see what it's looking like. Hopefully it's still pink. You know, I don't know. But we're gonna see in the morning time. And yeah, if it's too pale, I might just make the whole thing red. And I don't know, I think this might come out like, do y'all see that? Hold on, let's go closer. Let me turn on the brightness for y'all a little bit. So maybe I can see what I'm seeing a little bit better. So this is what the hair really looks like. So I hope, you know, in the morning time, it'll just be pink and, you know, we'll all be happy. All right, guys, so it is the next morning and surprisingly, I forgot to charge my camera, so it's low-key dying, so I'm gonna have to like hurry this up. But this is how the color came out. It's mad cute. On the camera it looks like everything is one tone, but in person it looks like it's kind of like highlighted, like pink highlights. Some spots are a little bit darker than the others, but it looks really pretty. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna have to install this off camera because the camera is dying, but I will be back to show y'all how to install. And this is mad pretty. Let me show y'all. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is the final look or whatever. This is how I installed it. I think it's mad pretty. I tried to do my makeup like it sort of kind of, but I don't really know. So basically, I'm gonna put up on the side how I made the look come together and stuff like that. Yo, I was feeling myself. I'm like, wow, I need to do a photo shoot right now. But so I'm gonna put on the side. My outfit is actually from Fashion Nova. I have a haul coming for y'all soon if my stuff will get here. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Basically, this hair is from Beaufox hair. This wig is actually pretty old. That's why I was like, you know, using it as my test dummy. I had this wig, this hair since what, July? So it held up pretty good, but I think it's on its last leg now, so I might just go ahead and throw it away, order some new hair. So I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions y'all have, y'all can comment down below and I will answer every single one of them. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Michael, he's the ride motorcycle. Tick bigger than a tower. I ain't